My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever thought what is the real purpose of our life in Islam? Why we all are created? And what should be our real purpose? These are the questions we have to ask from ourselves. Without knowing the purpose of life, life becomes aimless. So, is this only buying expensive cars, buying big houses, buying delicious foods? When you said put on music, rock, etc., buying luxurious things. Is this all success? Is this the real purpose of our life? We have to ask from ourselves, and surely the answer will come no. This is not our purpose of life. Because imagine if one day you have enough money and you can buy all these things and you live in a royal lifestyle. You can achieve everything, but someday you are getting older. Your eye is getting worse. Your leg getting weaker. And lastly, one day you will die. And no one will remember you, whoever you are in this dunya. In Quran, chapter number 3, verse number 185, Allah clearly states that Kullu nafsin zaiqatul maut. Every soul will taste death. And then the resurrection. And we know our soul have to return back to Allah. And on the day of judgment, there will be our soul. In chapter number 13, verse number 42, Allah clearly states that He knows what every soul earns in this dunya. So we have to prepare ourselves for Akhirat. So now the question is, what should be our aim in life? First, to recognize the true God and offer and worship to Him only, because He is the Almighty and He creates all these things. We can see the wonders of creation, such as the gestation of animals, the movement of heavenly bodies and atmospheric phenomenon, the variety of animals and vegetables and everything around us, etc. These all were a sign of God, and we have to only recognize them and think who created all this. He is the Almighty. He who creates the eyes of the mosquito is the same who creates the sun. Can you imagine? The scientists of the world can make a single sun, moon, star, any natural thing. It can't be possible because it was already created by our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is Almighty. In Quran chapter number 51 verse number 56, Allah states that I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me. So our first aim should be obey Allah and His message and thank Him in every situation of our life. And the second aim should be to read, to acquire knowledge, because as you know, the first verse of our Quran is Iqra, which means read, pad. Read in the name of your Lord who created humans from a clinging substance. Read, and your Lord is the most generous. Quran says us to study critically our behavior and beliefs, and salvation is obtained through searching out and surrendering to God, and acquire more and more knowledge and also earn money for our livelihood. But don't forget our Akhirat, where we all have to go. And the one question in our mind is this life a test? And the answer will be yes, this life is a test for us. Allah tests us in every aspect of our life. Maybe He tests in terms of children, in terms of wealth, in terms of disease, in terms of danger and hunger, but the better rewards for those who have patience. अल्लाह सब्र को पसंद करते हैं, जिनमें सब्र होगा अल्लाह उन्हें पसंद करेंगे। सो हमें हर हाल में अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए जो हमारे पास है, और जो नहीं है उस पर हम सब्र करें, क्योंकि अल्लाह के पास बेटर प्लान है हमारे लिए। अल्लाह नोज बेस्ट फॉर अस। Truly to God we belong, and truly to Him we shall return. So the purpose of our creation is to reach out utmost goals of beliefs, knowledge and spirituality to reflect on God. This worldly realm is the field of testing and learning that we may experience and attributes and believe in them. So acquire more and more knowledge in this dunya and do good deeds, give charity, offer prayers, earn money, be kind, be honest, and it always remember that every soul will taste death and there is no fixed time for it. It is one step behind us. So be prepare yourself for the day of judgment and don't run only for worldly gain. हम अपने आप को ऐसे प्रिपेयर करें कि आखिरत में हमारा नाम अमाल अच्छा हो, नेक हो, और सिर्फ दुनिया को लेके नहीं चले, दुनिया और आखिरत दोनों को साथ लेकर चले। थैंक यू।